Adjusting the amount of froth. Turn the froth adjustment dial on the milk container lid to adjust the amount of froth on the milk delivered while making milk drinks. No froth for cafe latte or hot milk. Minimum froth for latte macchiato. Maximum froth for cappuccino or frothed milk. Making cafe latte. Place a sufficiently large cup under the coffee spouts and frothed milk spout. Turn the froth adjustment dial on the milk container lid until no froth position. Press the cafe latte icon. After a few seconds, frothed milk is delivered from the milk spout into the cup below. Delivery of milk stops automatically and coffee delivery starts. An image of a cup of cafe latte is displayed together with a progress bar which fills gradually. Milk or coffee delivery can be interrupted by pressing the stop icon. To stop preparation altogether, press the escape icon. After preparing a milk drink, the machine must be cleaned to remove the milk residues. Leave the milk container in the machine. You do not need to empty it. Place a cup or other receptacle under the frothed milk spout. Turn the froth adjustment dial to clean. The operation is shown on the display and stops automatically. Turn the dial back to one of the froth selections. Remove the milk container and always clean the steam nozzle with a sponge. To prepare a number of milk drinks, clean the milk container after you have prepared the last drink only.